Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download files from our Google Drive, and now let's dive right in. Now to download files from your Google Drive, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address drive.google.com, and then your Google Drive will open, guys. But if you have not logged into your current Google Drive account or your Gmail account with which your Google Drive is associated, then you'd be required to log into your Google Drive account first, and for that a login page will appear for you and log into your account over there. Now from over here, guys, you can see we are on the home section of the Google Drive. Now just below the home there is the My Drive option available for us. Let's click on that, and all of our files and folders on Google Drive will be available. Now in order to download your files from Google Drive, and over here you can see there are a lot of files over here on my Google Drive. Now in order to proceed to download these, you can see there is a download option available for us. Whenever we click on any of these options, you can download your spreadsheets, you can download your M4A audios, and after that you can download your docs. You can just click on that button and it will be downloaded on your PC, and you can see, guys, it has been downloaded. Let's go for another one, and let's go for audio, and let's click on download. Or you can just right click on the file which you want to download, and this option will appear. You can just click on download over here, or when you hover over that option, you can see there will be a download option available for us. You can just click on either of these and you will be able to download your files from these three options. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download files from your Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.